Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program is open and functioning, locate and open the presentation file that contains the videos you wish to play side by side. This step sets the stage for the adjustments you are about to make and ensures that you are working with the correct file and slide. After opening your presentation, navigate through the slides until you find the one featuring the first video that you want to automate. It is important that you are in the correct slide because the successive steps will be applied to the video embedded there. When you have confirmed the correct slide, click directly on the first video to select it. Selecting the video makes it active in PowerPoint so that you can adjust its settings. With the first video selected, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen where PowerPoint's ribbon interface resides. In this ribbon, find and click on the Animation tab. This tab contains many animation options that control how content appears on your slides, and it is within this area that you will set the video to begin playing automatically. Once you are inside the Animation tab, look for a drop-down menu typically labeled with a description related to click actions, often stating "on click." This drop-down menu is designed to control when a particular animation or media element triggers during the presentation. Click on this option to reveal more settings. In the menu that appears, choose the with previous setting. This setting ensures that the video starts at the same time as any previous animation, effectively meaning that it will begin to play automatically as soon as the slide appears. Following the configuration for the first video, proceed to locate and click on the second video in your presentation. It is essential that you follow through by ensuring that both videos are configured similarly, as the goal is to have them play simultaneously side by side without any manual intervention mid-presentation. After selecting the second video, return to the Animation tab just as you did for the first video. Again, find the on-click drop-down menu while the second video is selected. When you click on this drop-down, ensure you choose the with previous option once more. By doing this, you align the start of the second video with the first video. They will be synchronized, resulting in a smooth playback where both videos start automatically together. Once both videos have been configured to play simultaneously using the with previous setting, the final step is to test your setup. To do this, navigate to the bottom of the PowerPoint interface and click on the Present button. This command launches your slideshow mode so that you can observe how the videos behave during the presentation. When you start the presentation, both videos should begin playing at the same time, allowing you to achieve the side-by-side effect that was your goal. Throughout this process, ensure that each selection and menu choice is carefully confirmed, as small mistakes in configuration can lead to unsynchronized playback. Following these instructions meticulously will allow you to produce a polished presentation with automated simultaneous video playback. Enjoy the seamless integration of your videos and the enhanced presentation experience that this feature brings.